Welcome to the beautiful country of Germany, a land of stunning cities, rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and modern lifestyle. In this video, we will explore the beauty, culture, and amazing places that make Germany one of the most attractive countries in Europe. Germany is located in Central Europe and is one of the most powerful and developed countries in the world. It is known for its strong economy, advanced technology, and high-quality life. Germany has over 80 million people and is famous for its discipline, cleanliness, and organization. The capital city, Berlin, is full of history and modern culture. You can see the famous Brandenburg Gate and the remains of the Berlin Wall. Germany also has a rich culture, music, and festivals from modern cities to peaceful nature. Germany is truly a beautiful and amazing country. If you love travel, nature, and culture, Germany should definitely be on your bucket list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel videos.